Today I'm working on a 2011 Chevy Impala, and what I'm going to be doing today, I am going to be replacing the sun visor. So the first thing I am going to do, I'm going to bring this down. Here, right on the visor, right next to it, there's a cover next to it. And all you have to do, you can use a screwdriver if you want, but I'm going to be using one of these. And the first thing we got to do is take out this cover. And when you do it, take your time. It has a couple of clips in there. I use my hand, take one side out. And then, so this is why we're taking off this cover. Once we take off this cover, it has 3 screws there, 3 filler screws. Like I said, there's 3 filler screws here. And all we have to do is just remove them. There you go. Once you take off the 3 screws, this comes out. All you have to do is pull it. Once you remove the 3 screws, all we're gonna do is take it out from here. And there you go. It's off. You take the one you're gonna replace. Make sure you put the screws correctly. Put it here to hold it. Put it up. Put it in there. Just start putting the screws back in. Once you put all your 3 screws back in, you're gonna take the rubber piece or this plastic piece, has a gap there, and you just have to turn it and find where it goes. You squeeze it in, and you have replaced your sun visor on your 2011 Chevy Impala. Later.